Have you ever stood in your kitchen, staring at a pile of dirty dishes, wondering if there's a better way? Are you tired of your cramped, shallow sink that can barely fit a pasta pot? Is your current kitchen sink showing signs of wear and tear, making you consider an upgrade? Well, you're in the right place, because today, we're diving deep into the world of kitchen sinks to help you find the perfect match for your home. Let's count down from number 7 to our ultimate champion, examining everything from material quality and durability to functionality and value for money. Number 7. Delironexu 30-inch Undermount Kitchen Sink. Starting our countdown is the Delironexu 30-inch Undermount Kitchen Sink. This single-bowl stainless steel sink offers a commercial-grade brushed finish that promises easy cleaning and a universal style that should blend with most kitchen designs. When I first unboxed this sink, I was impressed by its sleek appearance and the included accessories like the drain assembly. During my testing, I found the 16-gauge stainless steel construction to be reasonably durable, resisting scratches and stains better than I expected for its price point. The undermount design creates a seamless transition from countertop to sink, making it easy to sweep crumbs directly into the basin without catching on edges. The deep single-bowl design provides ample space for washing larger pots and pans, which is always a plus for someone who cooks frequently like myself. However, I did notice some issues with the sound dampening. Despite claims of noise reduction technology, the sink produced more noise than I'd like when water hit the surface or when I placed dishes inside. This could become irritating during extended use, especially in open-concept homes where kitchen noise carries. I also found the included drain assembly to be somewhat flimsy compared to higher-end models, making me question its longevity. The installation process was straightforward, though I would recommend having professional help unless you're experienced with sink installations. Number 6. Miuara Farmhouse Sink 33-inch. Moving up to number 6, we have the Miuara Farmhouse Sink, a 33-inch fire clay apron front sink that brings rustic charm to any kitchen. This sink immediately stands out with its classic farmhouse design that makes a bold statement in the kitchen. The white fire clay material is fired at extremely high temperatures, above 2300 degrees Fahrenheit according to the manufacturer, which should theoretically make it very durable and resistant to scratches and stains. During my testing, I appreciated the generous 10-inch depth and spacious single-bowl design, which easily accommodated my largest roasting pan and multiple pots at once. The apron front design is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also ergonomic, as it brings the sink closer to you, reducing the need to lean over while washing dishes. The included bottom grid and strainer are nice additions that add value to the package. The fire clay material does have a beautiful finish that brightens up the kitchen space. However, I did notice some inconsistencies in the glaze application, with slight unevenness in certain areas. While this doesn't affect functionality, it might bother those with an eye for perfection. Additionally, the sink is extremely heavy, weighing in at over 90 pounds, which made installation challenging and required additional support in my cabinetry. This is definitely not a DIY-friendly installation unless you have significant experience and help. Another concern I had was with the material's durability in real-world conditions. While fire clay is generally considered durable, I noticed some minor chipping when I accidentally dropped a heavy cast iron pan into the sink. Number 5. Sarlai 33 Kitchen Sink Undermount. Taking the 5th spot in our countdown is the Sarlai 33-inch Kitchen Sink Undermount. This workstation sink represents a significant step up in functionality from our previous contenders. Made from 16-gauge T304 stainless steel, this sink features a ledge design that supports various accessories, effectively transforming your sink area into a versatile workstation. When I tested this sink, I was immediately impressed by the thoughtful design. The ledges on the front and back provide tracks for the included accessories: a cutting board, colander, and roll-up rack, allowing you to maximize your workspace without sacrificing counter area. This feature proved incredibly useful during meal prep, as I could chop vegetables on the cutting board directly over the sink, then easily slide it aside to rinse them in the colander. The sink's construction feels solid and well made. The 16-gauge stainless steel is thick enough to resist denting, and the brushed finish does a good job of hiding water spots and minor scratches that inevitably occur with daily use. I particularly appreciated the X-shaped water diversion design and sloped bottom, which ensured efficient drainage with no water pooling, a common issue with lesser quality sinks. The sound dampening technology on this model is noticeably better than our lower-ranked options. The thick pads and coating on the underside significantly reduce noise from running water and clattering dishes, making for a more pleasant kitchen experience. The sink's deep bowl, 10 inches, provides ample space for washing large items, and the rounded corners make cleaning the sink itself much easier. 4. Lordear 33 Drop-In Kitchen Sink Workstation. Moving up to number 4 on our list is the Lordear 33-inch drop-in kitchen sink workstation. This sink takes the workstation concept we saw with the Sarlai and elevates it further with a convenient drop-in installation method and some thoughtful design improvements. The Lordear sink features a patented double ledges design that provides 2 levels of tracks for accessories, offering even more versatility in your kitchen workflow. During my testing period, I found the Lordear sink to be exceptionally practical. The 16-gauge T304 stainless steel construction feels robust and durable, easily handling the weight of heavy pots and pans without showing any signs of stress. The brushed finish maintains its appearance well, resisting fingerprints and water spots better than many competitors I've tested. The sink's 10-inch depth provides ample space for washing large items, and the single bowl design eliminates the center divider that can sometimes limit versatility. What truly sets this sink apart is its innovative workstation design with 2-tier tracks. The included accessories, a cutting board, colander, and roll-up rack, slide effortlessly along these tracks, allowing for multiple configurations. I could have the cutting board on one level and the colander on another, making meal prep incredibly efficient. The X-shaped water diversion grooves and sloped bottom ensure excellent drainage with no water pooling even when dealing with large volumes. The drop-in installation method is a significant advantage for DIY renovators or those replacing an existing drop-in sink. While undermount sinks often require professional installation, I found the Lordear much more accessible for a moderately skilled DIYer. 3. KRAUS Core 32-inch Undermount Workstation. Taking the bronze medal position at number 3 is the KRAUS Core 32-inch Undermount Workstation. KRAUS has built a strong reputation in the kitchen fixture industry, and this sink demonstrates why. The Core Workstation sink is engineered with an integrated ledge for accessories, creating a multifunctional workspace that maximizes efficiency in your kitchen. When I first installed this sink, I was immediately struck by the quality of construction. The sink is made with KRAUS's proprietary TRU16 gauge stainless steel, which is noticeably thicker and more substantial than many competitors. This translates to exceptional durability and resistance to dents. Even when I accidentally dropped a heavy cast iron skillet into it during testing, the sink showed no damage whatsoever. The commercial-grade brushed finish not only looks sleek, but also effectively hides scratches and water spots, maintaining its appearance even after weeks of heavy use. The Noise Defend soundproofing technology is truly best in class. Extra thick pads cover over 80% of the sink's exterior, while the protective undercoating adds another layer of sound absorption. The result is remarkably quiet operation. Even when running the faucet at full blast or loading dishes, the noise level is minimal. This feature is particularly valuable in open-concept homes where kitchen noise can travel throughout the living space. The workstation design of the Core sink is thoughtfully executed. The included accessories, a bamboo cutting board, roll-up dish drying rack, and stainless steel bottom grid are of exceptional quality. 2. Ruvati 33-inch Workstation Dual-Tier Ledge Kitchen Sink. Taking the silver medal position at number 2 is the Ruvati 33-inch Workstation Dual-Tier Ledge Kitchen Sink. This sink represents a significant leap forward in kitchen sink design, with innovative features that truly transform how you can use your sink space. The patented dual-tier ledge system provides 2 levels of tracks for sliding accessories, offering unprecedented versatility in your kitchen workflow. During my extensive testing, the Ruvati dual-tier sink consistently impressed me with its thoughtful engineering. Constructed from premium 16-gauge T304 grade stainless steel, 18H10 chromium nickel, this sink exhibits exceptional durability and resistance to rust and stains. The commercial-grade brushed finish not only looks sophisticated, but also effectively hides the inevitable scratches that occur with daily use. After weeks of heavy testing, the sink maintained its like-new appearance remarkably well. What truly sets this sink apart is the innovative dual-tier ledge system. Unlike single-tier workstation sinks, the Ruvati features overhanging ledges on both the front and back that provide 2 levels of tracks for accessories. This allows for incredible versatility. I could use the cutting board on the upper tier while simultaneously using the colander on the lower tier, or place the wood platform with mixing bowl on one level and the drying rack on another. This multi-level functionality effectively doubles the utility of the sink space. The included accessories are of exceptional quality. The reversible cutting board is crafted from sapele wood, African mahogany, which has a beautiful finish and handles water exposure well. 1. Kohler Stages 45-inch Undermount single-bowl workstation kitchen sink. Taking the crown as our #1 pick is the Kohler Stages 45-inch Undermount single-bowl workstation kitchen sink. This premium sink represents the pinnacle of kitchen sink design, combining Kohler's legendary quality with innovative features that transform your sink into a complete culinary workstation. After extensive testing, I can confidently say this sink stands head and shoulders above the competition. The first thing that strikes you about the Kohler Stages is its impressive size. At 45 inches wide, this sink provides an expansive workspace that accommodates even the largest cookware with room to spare. Despite its size, the thoughtful design ensures every inch serves a purpose. The sink features a wet surface area with integrated accessories that create distinct zones for food preparation, cleaning, and organization, truly living up to its Stages name by supporting multiple stages of meal preparation simultaneously. The construction quality is simply outstanding. Made from premium 16-gauge stainless steel, the sink exhibits exceptional durability and resistance to dents, scratches, and stains. Kohler's expertise in material science is evident in the superior finish, which maintains its appearance even after months of heavy use. The corners are precisely engineered, tight enough to create a modern aesthetic, but with enough radius to facilitate easy cleaning. The sound absorption technology is best in class, with Silent Shield sound absorption technology that virtually eliminates noise from running water and clattering dishes. Final thought. So there you have it, our comprehensive countdown of the 7 best kitchen sinks on the market today. Whether you're working with a tight budget or ready to invest in a premium option, there's a perfect sink for your needs. Remember to consider your specific requirements, kitchen layout, and cooking habits when making your selection. The right sink can transform your kitchen experience, making daily tasks more efficient and enjoyable for years to come. Thank you for joining me for this in-depth look at kitchen sinks. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with anyone who might be planning a kitchen renovation. Drop a comment below with any questions or to share your own kitchen sink experiences.